Hello. One of my favorite formats to use to help me differentiate learning in my classroom or to personalize learning is Deck.Toys. This is a very simple way of helping the students review in different formats, which is also something they enjoy since it's a game version or a game way of reviewing things. So please go and check it out. It's called Deck.Toys. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. It correlates with Google Classroom, so you're able to assign it through Google Classroom as well. Before I start, let me go to Google Classroom and show it to you. So here I have Deck, and it shows up here where students are able to log in. Once again, using their Google Classroom credentials. But once they're in, they're able to access whatever I provide for them per period. For example, like teacher view. Here it shows you what they've done, and normally it should allow for you to see their uh, their classroom reports. That way you're able to check their data, see what it is that they got. But unfortunately it deletes everything after 30 days, so I have no data to show you. I did not know that until I was checking it this morning. So here it does not show you any data when it should be able to do so according to what it is they have accomplished. As it says, students' data may reset after 7 days on the free plan and 30 days on the pro plan. I have the pro plan, but I have no data to show you, so I guess it did get reset. Okay, but if they would have, if it would have saved the data, you would have been able to compare and contrast and see how it is they were doing, what they got, what they did not get. So let me go back to some of the games that I've created. So for example, if I start with, let's do this one, I'm going to go and put edit. That way you see the different types of games that you can create for them. You're able to load up any vocabulary here from, you can load up any vocabulary from Quizlet. Quizlet. If you have access to this, okay, you're able to load whatever vocabularies you have set up in here into, as you can see, I have vocabulary, I have study card, etc. You can load up this into this. And so, for example, here we have the age of Jackson. So here it's asking them to review the information. But you have word wheels, rockets, word search, what word, typing race, crossword, match, lines, maze. So you can differentiate it as many different ways as you want to, sequence, etc. So for example, here it's asking you, what was the Trail of Tears? Okay, Trail of Tears, a forced removal of the Cherokees and their transportation to Oklahoma. Okay, and if you get it correct, it of course erases. So anyways, that is one way. Then I have lines. Here they have to match, like the cotton gin, a machine for removing the fibers, etc. Then we have memory. So here they have Marbury versus Madison. Not correct. Indian Removal Act. Not correct. Election of 1824. So they just have to keep on going until they get it. So let's see, James Monroe, can't remember which one it was. Fifth president. Okay, so they just have to keep on going till they get them correct, and it tells you literally who is going to, like, it'll give you the names of the students. They'll pop up with their initials next to each where they're at on each level, and then at the end it gives you the score of how they did for each section. So it's a very good way to review. I highly recommend this. It is very simple to use. Once again, it's called Deck.Toys, and the students love it because it's just a different way of doing what you need to do in class, which is learning the concepts.